Hey guys, what's up? What's up? How's everyone? I hope you guys are cool. I hope you guys had a good Christmas break. I hope you guys are having a good beginning of the year. My name is Desmond Demo, and welcome to the inside of my screen where we discuss everything candlesticks. Now, this video is just gonna be a quick breakdown of what we have of what I think we should be looking out for this year 2023. All right, so those of you guys, and first of all, it's been a long time I came on here to, to talk to you guys about the charts and everything, because I've been building stuff and I've been trying to get some things done, the things that I couldn't do last year 2022. I'm trying to round them up early this year so I can have time for you guys, my people, and then also have time for those of you in my Telegram community. Okay, so I just got a text from my trading partner, Jerome. All right, so first of all, we made so much money. I kid you not. Last year, 2022 was was a banger. Like it was huge for me and my guys. Okay, so and that's just I'm not here to make anybody feel bad or anything, but I'm just being honest with you. We made so much money off of the majors, okay, because the dollar was really surging to the upside. So we made so much money last year. And right now I'm here to show you or tell you guys about something that I have noticed that I want you guys to also look out for the year 2023. Very easy, very easy piece. Okay, so just stick through to the end of the video to get through. All right. So, like I said, this is just a video to give you guys like a briefing of what I'm looking out for this year and what we should be looking out for this year. So last year we had all this drop. You see the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the odd USD, NZD USD, and the rest of the XSS USD pairs. They all gave us so much money. Especially the majors gave us so much money last year. However, it's a new year. It's a new beginning. Okay, it's a brand new, fresh year. Okay, it's a fresh month. Everything fresh, everything clean and new. It's time to make some more money. It's time to identify and make good use of the new opportunities that come our way this year. Okay, so quick one. Let's just jump in. So ideally, this is what's going on when it's so. I'm gonna start with the Euro USD now. As you can see, we had this very steep impulsive move. Okay, this is an impulsive move all the way to the downside, and one of the fundamental principles of price action is that once we had we must always trend. Okay, that's the thing. And once we trend in any direction, there has to be pullbacks. Okay, we need to see some pullbacks. We need to start seeing some pullbacks. All right. So this was the whole of 2020. In fact, late 2021, as you can see, like so, late 2021 all the way to the 2022 beginning and end, like one whole year of this, a year plus we've been falling. All right. So this is just the market trying to catch, its breath because we've sold since last year, no, since last 2 years ending. Okay, and then right now we are currently at a major level. Okay, so we sold all the way from this point, and now we are at a major level. We came to hit a point right here, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, that so we came to hit here, and now we are actually moving all the way back up in terms of pullback. Now, the reason why, because I keep on seeing people trying to buy and trying to sell, I'm like, you don't even know what you're doing because you're actually stuck at a key level. Okay, as you can see, these my levels have been here for so long. I don't touch them. Okay, these are my major levels. I don't mess around with my major levels. Okay, I plot them all the way from the weekly. As you can see, the weekly time frame here, right here, you can see that very clearly. So I don't touch them, and you can see my chart clean. Okay, I don't move things around like that. I don't have too many lines in my chart because sometimes it gets really confusing. Okay, so this was a double top that gave birth to this surge down, as you can see, like so. And now we are simply just pulling back. Okay, we are simply just pulling back. So currently, I'm not trading anything. I'm not in any of these trades. As you can see, this is just a break. In fact, this is looking like a double top to me, right? So inside of this double top, we have a double top right here. Okay, inside of this double top, we have a double top. Okay, remember this was a break retest. First top came down, moved up again. Second top, and inside of this second leg, we have a double top that I gave birth to this, and this is a break and retest of this neckline, as you can see. That's why I always advise people to zoom out. Okay, you need to always zoom out before you start assuming, or before you start concluding that there's a change in trend, or there's a change in direction, or there's a change in whatsoever, you have to zoom out. Whenever you start seeing too many candlesticks, try to zoom out. Okay, very very simple thing to do, very easy, no stress, easy peasy. 5 minutes, come to the higher time frame, see the bigger picture, scale down, boom, very simple, right? So now we just move on to the next pair now, and so right now, okay, I'm not doing anything. Like I said, I'm not doing anything. I'm just patiently waiting for the Euro USD to tell me what next direction that it is going, at. However, overall, I'm still very, very bearish as we speak. I'm still bearish on Euro USD. However, I'm not in any trade as we speak. I just want to wait and see what the market has to do. And if I connect my trend line, like so, you can see that we have a break of trend line. Okay, however, we are stuck at the major level. We are stuck at a major level. How did I get this major level? I simply look left. All right. So if you want to learn how to plot these levels by yourself, like this thing doesn't even take me 5 minutes, 2 minutes max. Okay, max 2 minutes. Floated my levels. Simple. And these levels hold, as you can see, they hold enough water. Like they they hold enough liquidity. So as you can see, they have enough weight to bounce price, back in the opposite direction. So I'm not really panicking as at this point. And even and there isn't any reason to panic because we are trend traders. Okay, we go in the direction that the market goes. Okay, we are not here to try and force the market to go into an opposite direction. It doesn't make sense. So let's quickly head over to. However, before I go, so this is something I am actually looking out for on the Euro USD. As you can see, I want us to bounce off of this level with sorry, I want us to bounce off of this level with a daily bearish involving candle, and then I know for a fact that I'm definitely gonna start selling. Okay, however, one thing that you have to understand is that the market doesn't just move in a direction without giving you some sort of clue or hint. So wait for it, guys. Just chill. Just chill. Okay, the market is simply just catching its breath. Okay, the trend is gonna. I can guarantee you that the trend is gonna resume soon. Okay, so just be patient. I'll be coming back here, in the next couple of weeks, or probably next week or next 2 weeks, to come and show you guys what has happened and then in what direction that we're headed. However, for now, I'm just sitting on my hands, sincerely speaking, okay, doing nothing on the euro. So let's head over to GBP USD. And as you can see here, it's actually similar to the euro. Okay, so this head and shoulders gave birth to all of this surge the downside. So we made so much money pushing this guy, selling this guy, shoving this guy down. So we made all this money, and now the market simply just pulled it back. This move is too linear. See, one thing. See, you need to understand that I've actually traded this market for years, and I can tell you that there wasn't any real pullback. Like there wasn't any major pullback. This was just a very steep decline. There wasn't actually a significant pullback. Okay, to give the market some bit of resting time. The market just kept on falling, 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 falling. So now something amazing is about to happen. Okay, I'm not trying to impose my opinion on anybody. I'm just here to show you what I think is going to happen, and I think is happening, and then how we get to make money off of it. Because at the end of the day, we just are here looking for the best opportunities to make the easiest money, quick and easy, and bounce, easy peasy. Okay, so now, like I said, head and shoulders get back to all of these, break, retest, dropping, dropping, dropping all the way down. So we're currently here. Okay, so we started pulling back, as you can see, like so. Now we pulled back into this major level, and then we dropped again. Please take note. This is a weekly time frame. Okay, so we pulled into this major level, then we dropped all the way back down, and then we're pulling back up again. So now two things are most likely going to happen. It's either we come and put a double top here, okay, a double top here, and then we continue dropping, or we take out this high of the week, we take out this high, okay, and then we start taking bias to the upside. However, whichever direction that the market wants to go, we just flow with it because, like I said, we are just here to make money, man. We're not here to try and predict shit. Okay, we just want to make money, and that's it. If the market decides to go up, we buy, make some more money, and then we bounce. If the market decides to go down, make money, and then we bounce. Okay. However, there's no point trying to panic or trying to feel bad or anything. Don't be a sentimental trader, okay? Always, always, always go in the direction of the market. Okay, if the market decides that it wants to go up, by all means, we shall go up. Okay, very, very simple. Just make money off of it and don't bounce. So this is a similar scenario as you can see. Break. This is looking like a break and retest for me. Okay, this is looking like a break of key level. Okay, a retest. You get me a break retest. However, I'm not. You guys know that there's nothing is certain. Okay, when it comes to the financial market. Okay, the market only gives us clues. There's nothing certain here. So I'm just right now. I'm sitting on my hands and I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting patiently to see what the market wants to wants us to do. Okay, as you can see, like so, this is the high. Okay, that's the high. So for us to take buys, I'll be waiting patiently for us to take out this high. If we do take out this high and then retest, then the next level target is obviously this point right here. Okay, this point, either this point or this point. However, I'm sitting on my hands very, very clearly because the market actually moves from zone to zones and from zone to zone, and you don't actually have any reason to be impatient or rush anything because at the end of the day, man, we're going to make so much money. I keep on telling those in my Telegram community that they shouldn't rush. Okay, let the market just breathe. Okay, you made all this money from here, man. Like, look at this fall. Let it just breathe. If it decides to go all the way up, that's cool. If it decides to continue, that's fine. We are here to make money in whichever direction the market chooses to flow. Simple, easy, easy. Okay, so now let's jump on to the next thing. Um, Let me talk about the world USD. As you can see, pretty much the same thing because whenever the dollar decides to trend, okay, the rest of the pairs, the XSS USD pairs always fall. So if the dollar is strengthening, the XSS USD pairs will fall. Okay, if the dollar is falling, the XSS USD pairs will actually strengthen. So that's something that you need to understand. It's not that it's a basic thing. Okay, so similar case here with the odd USD double top right here, as you can see, like so, neckline break retest. Just give me a sec. Let me just spread that out for you real quick. Neckline, as you can see, at the break retest, and ever since then, it's been all the way down to okay, all the way down to 0.6, which is like around number 0.6000. However, we got there and then we decided to go all the way back. So like I said, we are still very bearish across the SSS the price. However, I'm not doing anything. I'm waiting and sitting on my hands, for the market to decide in which direction for us to go. Okay, I'm favoring the downside to the tune of 80%, and I'm favoring the upside to the tune of 20%. However, I'm waiting. Okay, my conferences have to be met before I place a trade. Let me see the setup. See, listen, man. One of the things about trading like me is that okay, I come on the higher time frame and then I see the bigger picture. I see it on the weekly, I see it on the monthly, I see it on the daily. Then I scale down to my 15 minutes time frame. Sometimes I even guys, let me be honest with you. Sometimes I even go as far down as 5 minutes time frame. As I'm not even kidding. As far down as 5 minutes, I can show you something on UJ. As far down as 5 minutes, we went down and then we started, knocking shit up. And that's it. Very, very simple. So just chill. Let the setup align on the higher time frame. You can scale down to whichever time frame of your choice and then you know kill it. So similar thing bearish break retest as I can see. However, it could actually be a full blown trend reversal. I don't know. This is a Fibonacci play I'm seeing right here. So like I said, you are just chill. You have a trend line here. If we break this trend line and retest, we come in here. If we put a daily bearish engulfing, a weekly bearish engulfing, guys, first level target will be here, obviously, then the overall level target will be here. Simple, easy peasy. Okay. So now I'm gonna move to USD JPY. This is looking very, very, very promising. Okay, so I was just going through my chart and then I saw something very, 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 very catchy about this UJ as you can see. So this is USD JPY like so, okay, and it has come to put a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern on the monthly time frame. Guys, take note, this is the monthly time frame. 1 month, as you can see, like so, massive, 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 significant time frame. Okay, so this is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder. If I flip this, you have the head here, shoulder, shoulder here, shoulder here. However, if I the way it is, this is the inverse. Okay, just flip this upside down. You have like just like a human head and the hands and the shoulders. Very, very simple. Okay, so this is head, and this is usually a reversal or continuation pattern, as the case may be. However, this is a massive reversal chart pattern. Okay, this was a neckline right here. This is head neckline, and we have broken out on the monthly time frame. We're currently retesting still on the monthly time frame. Guys, do you know how massive this is? Guys, I'm telling you, man, we are listen, if this plays out well, if this plays out well, if this break and retest continues like this, we are buying USDTPY for the next 1 year. I can't even lie to you, man. So much money to be made. Like it's as simple as this. All you have to do is just wait, just chill, just chill for the higher time frame to give you the go ahead. I'm telling you, scale down to your 5 minutes, whichever time frame of your choice. I'm not against it. However, I just know in the direction that we are headed. And this is it. This is the neckline break. And one of the rules of being in a range is that the total amount of people accumulated in the range. Once we break out of that range, the market is 9 times out of 10 times more likely gonna give us the exact same amount of people before any single chance of retracement. So that's why you see I have this bar right here. Okay, easy peasy. So guys, this is it. So once this aligns beautifully, okay, we just scale down to our daily time frame. But first of all, let's check the weekly. As you can see, very, 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 very simple thing. It doesn't even take you up to 5 minutes to do this. Okay, very simple thing. So guys, there's no point panicking. You don't have to rush. I mean, we are still early in the year. Okay, we are still very early in the year. You don't have to do anything like panicking, rushing, starting to feel bad because you've started seeing some results from other traders. Chill. Okay, guys. So just chill. Okay, chill. You have me here. I promise you guys, I'm coming back here next week or next couple of weeks, probably 2 weeks or so. Let the market just align. Once the market aligns, guys, I'll be here to tell you every single trade I will be taking on USDJPY. I'm never gonna lie to you. Every single setup I see, I have to come here and give you guys, and then like, I mean, in fact, before I even leave you guys, just check the description of this video. You see a link that brings you all the way down to my Telegram community where I send these setups out for free. Okay, I send all these setups out for free, totally for free. So if you want to be in a close contact with me, I suggest you come to my Telegram community. It's totally for free, and you meet all sorts of like-minded traders like you, and then you know you you, you get to share ideas and grow together. Very, very simple, like so. All right, so okay, let me quickly touch on the dollar index before I leave you guys. So this was the XY. Okay, and as you can see, the XY. Right? So this was where we started, the XY surge. As you can see, this was a double bottom that led to this. See, let me tell you guys something that you guys don't understand. Okay, Euro USD is the inverse of the XY. Okay, Euro USD is the inverse. You see, this was a double top that we had. Okay, this was supposed to be double top, and then this also has. So this is first head, second top, rather first top, second top, and then this has another double bottom again. Now flip this to the euro, and you see exact same thing. Can you see? Almost like the triple bottom. You get me? So the the market does not go in a direction and then leave you behind. It gives you clues. You just have to be careful enough and then be sharp and fast enough to identify these things on time and then make it do. All right. So that's all about that. Kindly subscribe and then leave a comment on what you'd love to see next. And guys, like I said, I'm not doing anything currently. I'm still on my hands, and every single trade setup I'll be taking. I'll definitely come to YouTube to inform you guys. Okay, in fact, I'm starting a platform challenge with my Telegram community members. Okay, if you have a prop firm, my forex funds, FCMO, whichever prop firm of your choice. Okay, buy the profit, then come all the way down to my Telegram community, and then let's trade together. Okay, I help people pass their prop firms. I help them pass their prop firms, and then I make sure that they get paid. All right, so that's just that. Okay, and bye for now.